Hi everyone, and welcome to Clean Up with Kelly. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 ways that I like to relax around the home. So I know life can get crazy and you don't always have that hour or 2 hours to yourself. So that's why I wanted to list this in order of time frame. If you have only 2 minutes, 15 to hour or hours, I'm gonna go in that order. So no matter what, no matter how much time that you have, there is always a way to slow down and relax. I am a stay-at-home mom, but I believe that all of these ways you can do no matter where you are in your life. If you work, if you're home, have kids, don't have kids. This video is a group collab with 9 other ladies. I will leave everyone that I'm collabing with, their links down below. Go check it out. They're gonna come up with their own ways and I can't wait to see what they are. If you're coming over from any of the other ladies' channels, I wanna say hi, my name is Kelly and I make a lot of lifestyle cleaning videos. So I hope that you stick around, and if you do, then please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And I wanna say thank you to Amber from Ambam's Life for getting this all together. Everyone needs a break. Everyone needs to relax sometimes, even if it's just for a couple minutes. It makes a world of difference. So with that, I'm going to show you my 4 easy ways to relax. Enjoy. This is something that you can do no matter where you are. If you're home, at a doctor's appointment, if you are feeling anxious, or just need to take some time. Deep breathing is one of the quickest ways. It can help you in seconds. I like to use my Fitbit. It does have a relaxing portion to it, and it just times you and it kind of guides you through it. So it just kind of tells you how to breathe in and out, and it really helps. You don't need this, but taking that time is so essential. This is one of my favorite ways. It makes me feel like I'm in a spa. I picked up this little pack from Target. It was maybe $1, and it came with a lot of the clay inside. So just rubbing it on your face and leaving it on. It has a nice lavender scent to it. It feels nice and cool. And then just taking time to lay down and let it sit for 15 minutes is so nice. You can also throw on some relaxing music or some nature sounds. I like to listen to rain, and it just is a nice feeling afterwards. When you wash it off, it feels amazing. I like to wash it off with some warm water. It feels really nice, especially leaving it on for 15 minutes. And then I take some face lotion and I just massage my forehead and my jaw. It really helps to relieve any tension. You wouldn't believe how much tension your muscles and your face have. And this is a really nice way to just let all that stress go. If you've been to any of my other videos, you know I love to exercise. I like to get out for at least a 20 to 30 minute walk every day. If I can't, then I will definitely try to do something inside. You can literally do this anywhere. You don't even have to leave your house. You can walk around your house. Just getting some kind of movement instantly boosts my mood and makes me feel so much better. So if I can't get outside, I will try to do some stretch or some kind of body weight exercise. Please always make sure that you're cleared by your doctor before doing any kind of exercise routine. But getting my heart rate up makes me feel instantly better. Now, when I have some time. I mean, this usually happens maybe once a week where we are done with everything. My daughter's asleep. I will make some hot tea, light up my candles, put my diffuser on, and just totally veg out. I like to play video games, we watch Netflix, movies, whatever it is, but just taking that time to sit down and melt into your couch and not move a muscle just is so, so nice. Let me know in the comments if this is one of your favorite ways. It doesn't happen too often anymore and I really enjoy it. I like to grab a blanket and get on my favorite spot on the couch and just totally relax. I have my tea, I have my Netflix going. It is so nice, but I don't like to rush it. I really hope that this gave you some ideas. Next time you're feeling stressed out and you're crunched for time, let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these. Please don't forget to check out what the other ladies are posting. I will list all of their channels below, and they are going to be making their ways that they like to relax. So I'm hoping that by the end of you watching all of our videos, you will have tons of ideas. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.